How do you put YouTube videos on Facebook? Do you want to get more views on YouTube? Do you want to improve the quality of content that you share on Facebook?
Herman Drost, DrostDesigns.com.
Here are two methods for putting YouTube videos on Facebook.
Number one, use the share feature on YouTube. So first you go to YouTube and search for the video that you want to share on Facebook. So in this case I selected Mavericks, which is the Mavericks surfing contest of 2014, and then you scroll down and click the share button. This shows actually all of the places that you can share your video. In this case we're going to click the Facebook icon, and then you enter some text in the search box. Then you click the share button, and here you'll see that the video occurs on my Facebook page. So I click the video plays inside Facebook. And if people want to watch it on YouTube, they can just click the YouTube button here, watch on YouTube. Number two, add the YouTube URL to Facebook. So I go to YouTube, and in this case I wanted to find out about how to link YouTube annotations to Facebook. Here's the first video, so I click on that video, and I click on the share button, and here you can see that the YouTube URL is highlighted. Copy that by going to Ctrl C on Windows or Command C for Mac users. Then I log into my Facebook page and I insert the URL, and you can also add some text here, but in this case the title is already displayed, how to link YouTube annotations to Facebook, so I'm just going to leave it blank. Then you just click post. Now you can see how the video is displayed in the timeline. If you click the video, it'll actually start playing within Facebook. If you click YouTube, it will start playing within YouTube. And that's it.
And now I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my free e-course, 21 Ways to Generate Free Traffic from YouTube. Click the box above or visit the link in the description below this video. And thanks for watching.